Hi guys, I'm back again with another video. So guys, in today's video I'm showing you all my 3-step skincare routine, and basically what I'll be using on my skin this morning is just my toner, then my moisturizer, and then I go ahead with my sunscreen. Now when it comes to moisturizer, is optional in my morning skincare routine, but let's see if I'll use it or not. Now I've cleansed my face off camera. I've cleansed my face because I don't want anything messy. Right now, let's do this morning skincare routine. This is the Pure Full Calming Herb Toner, the Novozyme Pure Full Calming Herb Toner. You all know why I love this toner, because it's super calming to the skin, and I just want something that will calm my skin, so I'll be using it now. Why I wait for the toner to sit in properly into my skin, let me just teach you guys what happened to me the other day. The other day I went to buy sunscreen, yeah, because my sunscreen got finished. So on getting there, I was about getting a sunscreen that I wanted to try. Buying this sunscreen, guys, I never knew it was fake. Tell me why people here in Nigeria will sell fake product to you with higher price, like higher price. Do you get why the people selling the main products are even selling it lesser? I don't understand. Seriously, it got me angry. And to use my what is it called, my moisturizer. I'm not supposed to be using this moisturizer in the morning, but what can I do? What can I do? Now I applied my moisturizer. One thing I don't do while applying my moisturizer is using too much. Just little, like a pea size is enough for my face, right? So I use a pea size of moisturizer, and the new moisturizer I'm using right now, I love it for my acne prone skin, and I cannot wait to give you guys review on it. So now I'll also have to wait for some minutes before I apply the next one into my skin. Just see pretty while we do this together. I told you guys that everyone is just doing mistake. We are just doing too much on our skin, guys. We are doing too much on our skin. Remember, you just want to treat your hyperpigmentation. Remember, you just want to take care of that acne. And one thing about acne that I know is it does not have a permanent cure. Like, it's something that sometimes you just hit on your skin, right? Yeah, there's no permanent cure in all these things, so it's just to manage it, right? It's just to manage it. Now I'm moving in with my sunscreen. So I'll just allow this sunscreen to sit in I'll allow it to air dry before I blend it all inside. You always have to allow it to, air dry on your skin before you blend it in on your skin. So guys, I'm done with my morning skincare routine, and one last tip I want to give you guys in this video is do not be aggressive on your skin so you do not damage your skin barrier. See you guys on the next one. Bye.